Greetings, parents. This is Mr. Munir here, your child's programming teacher. Some of you know me pretty well because I've taught your kids for 3 years. That's wonderful. Teaching them engineering, robotics, math, and now programming is so cool as a teacher. And some of you, this is my first time teaching your child, and I'm so happy to have them. Here is the deal. This is virtual back to school night, so it's a little different than it's been in the past. I don't get to see you face to face, but hopefully this video is informative and helpful to you. Rather than give you a bunch of details and technical information, I'd like to give you the spirit of what this class really is. Programming is everywhere. Everything is being impacted by computer programming nowadays. In the beginning of this class, we went through the history of computers, and we see that, 100 years ago, we were so far from where we are today. But really, within the last 20 or 30 years, we've seen the field of computer programming and computers in general just exploding. And now is the time. There are hundreds of thousands of jobs that are going unfilled every single year because there are not enough kids that are going to school and getting experience in programming. But more importantly, there's so much good that can be done by people that love God learning how to program. So my heart, my spirit for this class is to equip your kids with the ability to program. We're starting off simple, learning C++. That's a computer language, computer programming language that is one of the foundational languages that many programmers learn. We're going to be using some hardware later on, and we keep doing more and more projects. I challenge your kids to just really do their best and try their hardest to excel. And fortunately, it's a small class, so I get a lot of one-on-one time with each of your kids, and it's really excellent. I encourage you to ask them what they're programming. Ask them to show you their replets. Ask them to show you Replit. That's the program that we work on in school. Ask them to show you their code. Ask them to explain it to you and be impressed, because your kids are impressive. I'm loving what they're doing so far. I'm really loving teaching this course. And I hope they enjoy it as much as I do. It seems like they do. They have fun. So with that being said, that's really it. That's the spirit. Programming, I believe that every kid should learn how to program, and your kids are getting the opportunity to really dive deep at such an early age, and that's wonderful. I love being their teacher. I love your kids. I love getting to teach them. That's really it for me. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything that you really want to talk to me about, more in terms of what the class structure is and all that kind of stuff, just send me an email. I'll be glad to give you all the details that you need. My email is kevinme@ccaeagles.org. That's kevinme@ccaeagles.org. Okay. That's it for me for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your virtual back to school night. Thanks. Bye-bye.